One of the discouragements you can get as a YouTuber is to post your videos and then those videos perform very, very poor. I understand how it feels. After spending hours making videos, editing videos, and after posting it, there is nothing to write home about. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to actually help YouTube push your videos or make the algorithm to smile on your videos. So in case this is the first time you're seeing my YouTube video, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button and then turn on my notification bells so that whenever I make videos like this, you get to benefit. I actually create videos on what? On YouTube, on Facebook, and then on video editing, which means my YouTube channel is just a good channel for you. Now, as a YouTuber, this is not about beginner now. I've seen people over 1,000 subscribers, even 5,000, 10,000 subscribers, but they still struggle with views. And I understand how it feels because spending hours creating thumbnails, using right descriptions, hashtags, and tagging, and still no results to show for it. I understand how it feels. That's why I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways that have helped me and which I know is going to also help you. Now, number 1 is that as a YouTuber, the moment you post your video here on YouTube, do not just go out. One of the mistakes you can make is to just post your videos and then go out, meaning you just drop your phone. It is an error. Go ahead and then watch that video. Now, when I say watch the video, another mistake many of you make is that you watch the video halfway. Watching that video halfway, you're already giving the algorithm a signal that the video is not important, which means the moment you choose to watch that video, you are to make sure you watch the video to the very end. Yes, watch that video to the very end. By watching that video to the very end, you are now sending a signal that the video is important. Now, number 2 things you should do is the moment you have watched your video, also go to other YouTubers, as in like those who have just dropped their new videos, not old videos, new videos. Go into that place and also drop comments. Watch their own videos, drop comments, like the video. This will make others to also see you. Remember, you also get visible by engaging on others people's videos. So imagine people see your comments and then get to click on your name. Then they also now get to see your videos. Now, these are called prospective subscribers. Imagine grabbing prospective subscribers' attentions from other people's what? Comment section. So, number 1, watch your videos. Number 2, go to other people's comment section and comment. Now, our number 3, make sure that you there is nothing wrong from telling your friends or reaching out to your community and telling them to also watch your videos. Remember, when you do this, even though if it is 3-4 people, you are already giving the algorithm signals that is like something is going on here. So the more you see people to help, for example, or if you have extra phone just like this, you can say I have extra phone, you can. Now, remember, do not use, after you have watched it now, don't use that same phone because it will become the same IP address. So you don't need to use the same phone. So you can use, maybe you have another channel, for example, use that same channel to also watch the video and then comment on that video, which is our number 3, okay? And number 4 things you can as well do. After 1 hour or 2 hours, you are free to share your videos to your WhatsApp status. Now, there is nothing wrong sharing your videos to your WhatsApp status. Now, spamming it is where the problem comes in. But when you know that you have people that view your WhatsApp status very well, and you know that those people are your friends that will as well support you, this, our number 4, will really help you. Go ahead, share the video to your WhatsApp status. This helps people to see what you have just posted and then they click on it from there. And this will bring the persons to your YouTube and then they do what? They also get to watch. In short, if they can come and even just, let's assume the video you posted is just like maybe 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and they were able to watch like 2 minutes, you have just given the algorithm a very wonderful green signal that your video is important. You will now see that the algorithm will now begin to distribute your videos to a wider audience. And our number 5 is that always reply comments. I noticed that some YouTubers or upcoming YouTubers or even big YouTubers, people drop comments in their comment section and they just ignore. That is wrong. The more you prolong conversation in the comment section, the better for your videos. Don't feel too big to comment. Don't feel too big to reply comments. When you reply comments, the more the person's okay, let's assume somebody commented on your video yesterday and today you reply the comment, the person will get a signal or a notification that you have liked or replied. So this can make that person come back again to your channel. And when this person comes back again to your channel, the person likely get to watch your new video that you have also dropped for that day. So number one, make sure you watch the video. Number two, comment in other people's video. Number three, feel free, you can share to your WhatsApp status. Number four, also support other creators. Number five, make sure you also reply comment. This will help your YouTube channel or help your videos to always perform next time you post your videos. So please don't forget, in case you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and then do what? Go watch other interesting videos that can help you as a beginner. One thing you must know as a beginner here on YouTube is that YouTube prioritize quality videos. So lastly, why I'm adding this is that make sure that your videos are always relatable, as like beneficial values. When your videos always bring out values, always give values, always solve problems, be rest assured that your videos, even though if your video is not performing today, your video is likely to begin to perform after a month or 2 or 3. Remember, you are building your channel for tomorrow. So always make sure you do the right thing by bringing quality content to your page every day or 4 times in a week. All right. Thank you.